What happens when you microwave a peep? 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 What happens? You're all gonna die. Good luck on the other side. Oh, you cannot see what's going on, can you? Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I did not expect something to happen that fast. Oh, my God. Jeez. I don't know if you can see, but that thing expanded like immediately. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. That's, wow, okay. Dang, okay, it's getting, okay. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Oh no, that was like the little chocolate eyes melting. Oh, Jesus. It smells so burnt. Oh my God. I did not expect that to escalate so quickly. Okay. We'll just save this. Now let's microwave one of the rabbit peeps. Time to join your cousin. Goodbye. Oh, jeez. I'm scared. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stop saying oh my gosh over and over. Oh my God. Never mind. Jesus Christ. It's enormous. Oh my God. I'm worried that's gonna like explode or something because now, yeah, now the holes are starting to form. Jesus. This looks like some kind of strange meteorite. Ugh, it smells so bad. Oh, that hurt. Okay. I'm very smart. Join your cousin. Okay, so I think a lot of the burning is coming from the little chocolate eyes, so I'm gonna try taking out the chocolate eyes and see what happens. Ah, where are my eyeballs? I can't see. Ah. Let's just put him out of his misery. Oh, here we go. The expansion. I think my plan is working. I'm not seeing any of those holes. Oh, now there they are, so. Or, is that? Well, that's more just a crater, whatever. Okay, now that is terrifying. Dang, look at these dudes. Dang, that's gonna be you in a few seconds. Brothers, sisters, avenge me. Now no one can hear you scream. That didn't even make sense. Bombs away. Jesus. Oh my God. I keep saying Jesus and oh my God, I'm so sorry, but that is huge. That went from like a little marshmallow to like a full course meal. Okay, the holes are forming. Oh. I'm scared it's gonna catch on fire. Okay, it's making crackling sounds. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Maybe this was a bad idea. Okay. Jeez. Oh, that smells awful. That is just horrendous, really. He actually looks kind of cute, though. Besides this. It kind of looks like it's his intestines. Kind of disturbing. I'm sorry, children. It had to be done. I think I just created a new element of the periodic table. I was gonna try to eat these, but like, no. So what happens when you microwave a peep? 1, they expand and get really big. That's what expand means. 2, they start burning and get a bunch of holes in them, and they smell really bad. 3, once they're done, they shrink and turn into a very hard pile of sugar. And that's what happens when you microwave a peep. Bye.
Life's like a road that you travel on. When there's one day here, and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door, where blues won't haunt you anymore, where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today, yeah. Life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, well, I wanna drive it all night long.